Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Ninja 300 SE. Beautiful two-tone, metallic silver and black, twin cylinder, 300cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled, lightweight sport bike, awesome sounding Kaufman's exhaust system, fender eliminator. This bike is in really cool, beautiful condition. Price to sell just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.